Hello everyone, this is Dr. Reshma Patil. Today we will see program of binary search tree. Program is write a C program to create binary search tree and display its leaf nodes. So first we have to create the binary search tree, then we have to display its leaf nodes, count of leaf nodes. If you don't have Turbo C on your computer, then you can use online compiler. For that, go to Google, write their online C compiler. Select this link, online C compiler, online editor, online GPO. Right click on it and open here. Write your code here, binary search tree code, and you can execute from run button using a run button. So first we will see binary search tree program and how to display its counts, leaf node counts. Initially include libraries stdio.h, conio.h, stdlib.h. This is the structure of binary tree. So every node of binary tree will contain left subtree, right subtree, and central part is information, is data. So every node will contain these three parts. Next, count variable, flag variable is here, that is initialized to 0. In the void main, create the variables of the structure, binary tree structure, root and p. Then these variables are created integer ch, x, key, and character answer. Here we have created insert function. It is used to insert node into the binary search tree. So in this insert function, we have passed two parameter. First is structure binary tree star and second one is integer variable. This is the second function which is used to count the leaf node. It is also taking parameter of structure. Then here we have to initialize the root variable that is created here to null because initially our binary tree is empty. So initialize root is equal to null. Next, go to the do part. Here we have to execute the menus. Continuously we have to show these menus to the user. First insert node, second leaf nodes of tree, third one exit. Here we are getting choice from user. These are the choices 1, 2, 3. Out of these choices, user will enter the choice that will be stored into this ch variable. This variable is going to pass into this switch case. If user has entered 1, then this ch variable is compared with these cases. If it is 1, it will execute this case 1. So in this case 1, here we are getting the information from the user. That is data part, which we have to show as a node for the binary tree. So here we are getting that data into this x variable. After that, we are calling this insert function. So in this insert function, we are passing a root variable and this information x. So now go to the insert function directly. So here root value will pass, that is null. Initially it is null. And suppose we have entered here value 10. I will take one word file so we can manage that data. So initially root is equal to null and x variable value is, suppose we have passed there 10. So as per the structure, our node should contain three parts: data part, left subtree, and right subtree. So suppose your data is 10. So go inside this function. Here we have to create three variables: p, current, p, q, and current. Create that variables. We will use table here to show the variable values. This is for root x, p, q, current. We will take some more columns. So root is equal to null, then x is equal to 10. Other variables are p, q, and current. Then we are allocating memory for this structure, binary tree. So it will create this blank structure and it will assign some memory address. Suppose 1020 is the address to this blank structure. Now memory is allocated for this structure. Now we can store the data into this. Current info. Current info means data part we have to store here, that is X. So we will store here N as our data. Then current left is equal to null. So what is current position? Current is at this location. Current left is equal to null means this node does not contain any left child. Current right is equal to null. Now p is equal to q is equal to root. So these two variables p and q will contain the value of root. What is value of root? Null. Next, if root is equal to null. What is the value of root? Yes, it is null. It is true. Go inside this if root is equal to current. What is value of current? 1020. So new node address will be stored to the root variable. Printf is inserted. %d is inserted at root position. %d means this current info. Current info. What is current info? 10. 10 is inserted at root position because initially binary search tree is empty. Now we have created root. So first node we have created, that is 10, that is inserted at the root position. And after that we are returning the value of root in the main function. So go to the main function here. This is the function calling and a return value will be stored into this root variable. So now globally this root variable value is 1020. Then again it will execute this menu. It will ask again insert new node. If you want to insert new node, then you will choose this choice 1. Otherwise you will press 2 to check leaf nodes of tree. Initially only one node is there, so leaf node will be 1. We will add 2 more nodes, so it is you will check the leaf nodes of the tree easily. So insert 2 more nodes. So again choice our choice will be 1. Select one and call the insert function with the root value and x value. So suppose root is 1020, that is final. X value is 5 now. So inside this, these variables are created again. That is local variable. So it becomes, it is empty now. Then here we are creating the structure, allocating the memory for the structure, and that memory allocation is stored into this current variable. So again, create blank structure, blank here. The memory address is allocated to this node. Suppose this is 1030 that is stored into this current variable. Now we have to store the value of x. Value of x is 5. Next, current left and current right is equal to null. So current here, null, and right is also null. P is equal to Q is equal to root. What is value of P and Q? It was initially blank, but now we have to store the value of root to P and Q, that is 10, 20. Now check if root is equal to null. No, root has some value that is 10, 20. It is not null. So go to the next while loop. While Q is not equal to null. Q is not equal to null. Yes, it is not null. Go inside this. P is equal to Q. What is value of P? What is value of Q? 2020. That will be stored P if x is less than P info. What is value of x? 5. What is value of P info? That is 10, 10, 10, 20 info, 10. So check x is less than P info. 5 is less than P info. Yes, it is true. Q is equal to P left. Q is equal to, where is P now? P is at 1020. This is 1020 and P is equal to, Q is equal to P left. That is null. P left is null, that is stored into this Q, else part will not execute because if is already executed while is while curly bracket is ended here. Again go to this while condition. Q is not equal to null. Q is null here. Condition false. We will come out of this loop. Come here. Check if x is less than P info. What is x value? 5. What is P info value? 10, 20. X is less than P info. Then printf, the node is inserted at %d left. %d P info. P info means 1020. 1020 is left. Here we are inserting new node. P info. New node is inserted at 10. That is 5. Here we will get the output. The node is inserted at tens left. Then P left is equal to current. P left, where is P? P is at 1020. 1020 left. Here is 1020. 1020 left is this part is equal to current means address of new node, that is 1030. Else part will not execute. Here return root. Now what is value of root? 1020. 1020 will be written in the main function here. Again we will pass this value 1. We will insert one more node to the right side. So again write 1 here. In this switch case 1 will pass. It will execute this first case. Insert function will call here root value 1020. will be passed here plus value of x variable. Suppose we will take here value of x is 20. So call the insert function. Again, these three variables are created locally. Here we are allocating memory into this current variable. Suppose new memory allocation is 1040. Address of that memory is 1040. This is 1020th node, 1030th node, and 1040th node. So here memory is allocated, then current info is equal to x. What is value of x now? 20 will be stored here. Then current left and right is equal to null. Then p is equal to q is equal to root 1020. If root is equal to null, no, root has some value. Go to the while part. Q is not equal to null. Q is not equal to null, yes, it is not null. Go inside. P is equal to q 1020. If x, what is value of x? X is 20. 20 is less than p info. P is at 1020. What is info of that? 10. 20 is less than 10? No, it is false. So we will go to the else part. 2 is equal to p right. P, this is p. P right is null. So we will store q is equal to p right, that is null. End of while. Again, check the condition of while q is not equal to null. Yes, q is null here. So we will come out of this while loop. Check x, that is 20, is less than 10. No, it is not less than. Go to the else part. Printf, the node is inserted at percentage right. P info means tens right. 20 is greater than 10, so it will insert at the right position of 10. So this line will be printed on the console. P right is equal to current. P is at 1020. 1020 right is equal to current, that is 1040. So here, this is root node. In this root node, we have inserted left child, that is 5, and a right child 20. So total 3 nodes are there. One is root, second one is left child, third one is right child. Now we will call return root. Will we will go back to the main function. Root value will be same 1020. Now we will take second case, that is count of leaf node. So when you will write here 2, we will go to the case number 2. Here initially count is equal to 0. Count is equal to 0. And call this function count leaf with a root value, that is 1020. 1020 is the root value. Call the function count underscore leaf. This is the function. In this function we are passing 1020 value. If root is not equal to null, this is not null, so we will go inside this. If root left is equal to null, 1020's left is null, no, and condition is there, so this is false, so we will not execute this if part. Go to the next line. Count leaf in bracket root left. What is root left? 1030. So 1030 will be passed here in this root variable. This variable value is going to change inside this function only. So for this function only now root value is changed, that is 1030. 1030. Check again. 1030 is the value of root now. Is not equal to null. Yes, true. If root left, what is 1030? 1030 is left. Here is 1030. Its left is null. If root left is equal to null, yes, it is null. And we have to check root right is equal to null. Yes, it is also null. So what we have to do? Increment the count variable. Increment the count variable by 1. Print leaf node percent 3D root input. So here 5 is the leaf node. So leaf node 5, that will be your answer, will be printed on the console. Now go to the next line, count leaf root right. So what is value of your root? Initially it was 1020. So what is the right of that? 1040. That will ask here 1040. 1040. Root is not equal to null. Yes, true. Root left. Now we have to check 1040. Root left and right. We have to check if it is null. Then we will go inside this and increment the count. Count is incremented. Count is 2 now. Leaf node 20. That is here value of that root is 20 now. So here leaf node 20, that will be printed here. So two leaf nodes are there. One is 5 and one is 20. That both are printed here. Again we will come here end of the void count function. Count leaf function. Here root left and root right at last will come to the null point. That time this root not equal to null, this condition will become false and we will come out of this if part and we will come out of this count leaf function. Again come back to main function. Now both functionalities are over. If you want to exit from the function or program, then we can press 3. You will exit from the program. So here we will execute this function BST program. Initially, see these are the menus: insert node, leaf nodes of tree, exit. First we have to enter our choice. First is 1. Enter information. Sorry, 10. 10 is inserted at root position. Then again we will insert 2 more nodes. One is 5. The node is inserted at 10th left because it is less than 10. Second one is 20. This node is inserted at 10th right because it is greater than 10. Now we will check the leaf nodes of tree. Total leaf nodes are 2. One is 5 and second one is 20. And exit from the program. Thank you all.